The movement for the use of Roman script for Kokborok gained further momentum in Tripura, with hundreds marching under the banner of Tripura Indigenous Students Federation in Agartala on Wednesday. The protesters demanded the use of Roman script for the language in all examinations conducted in the state. The use of the Roman script for Kokborok has been a long-pending demand for the Tripura party, with party supremo Pradyut Manika Dev Barma having written to Governor Satyadev Narayan Arya, urging him to consider the change.
On demand of Roman script to be introduced in all the subjects, CBSE, ICSE, Tripura board. Recently, the state government has decision that we use Bengali script in the CBSE board, which is not in our favor. And as you all know, language is a very sensitive issue. And Kokborok Roman script since 50 years back, we are demanding. It is burning issues. And Kokborok is state language of Tripura, but it is not given due importance. So now all the students have come forward to demand that to introduce Roman script in all schools and colleges and university. It is our long-lasting demand, and we'll go on our fighting, because this, as you know, the Roman script we have recommended by all commissions. During left-front regime also, there are 3 commissions was established, set up, and they also recommended in favor of Roman script. But I don't know why the state government is delaying this kind of issues, Roman script issues. So I think on the guidance of our Bubagra, the promoter, and the student wing of the promoter is organizing the rally on demand of Roman script. And it is not only the Agartala, whole our state we are going to organize. It is just beginning, and this will go on in the future.
Don't forget to like,